In front of me is CUBOT X20, and let me show you how to perform a soft reset of this device. So the whole operation is quite easy because all you need to do is to tap on power button and hold it. Just keep holding. And when you feel vibration, you can leave it, and within a couple of seconds your device will be rebooted and you will be able to use it easily. So for example, if it's been frozen or stuck for some reason, it should work properly right now. And that's it. As you can see now, you can smoothly use it. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.